Welcome to our guide to the 10 best places to visit in Brasilia, Brazil. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the city's stunning architecture, cultural landmarks, and natural beauty. From the iconic Catedral Metropolitana to the impressive Juscelino Kubitschek Bridge, there's so much to discover. Stick around as we explore each of these must-see spots, one by one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and updates on amazing destinations. Let's dive in. The Catedral Metropolitana de Brasilia, designed by Oscar Niemeyer, is an architectural masterpiece and a symbol of modern Brazil. Its 16 curved concrete columns, resembling hands reaching to the sky, create a striking visual effect. Inside, stunning stained glass windows bathe the space in colorful light, enhancing its ethereal beauty. Opened in 1970, it remains a cultural and religious landmark. Whether for its spiritual significance or bold design, this cathedral is a must-visit in Brasilia. Subscribe for more amazing places. The National Congress of Brazil, designed by Oscar Niemeyer, is one of Brasilia's most iconic landmarks. Its twin towers, flanked by a dome and a bowl, represent the Senate and the Chamber of Deputies. Inaugurated in 1960, it symbolizes Brazil's modernist vision and political power. Located in the heart of the Monumental Axis, this architectural masterpiece is a must-visit for history and design enthusiasts. Want to explore more stunning places? Like and subscribe. The Brasilia TV Tower, standing 224 meters tall, is one of the city's top attractions. Built in 1967, it offers breathtaking panoramic views of the capital from its 75-meter-high observation deck. Located on the Monumental Axis, it provides a perfect vantage point to admire Brasilia's unique architecture, including the National Congress and the cathedral. At its base, the Handicraft Fair is a great spot for souvenirs. Don't miss this incredible experience. The Juscelino Kubitschek Bridge, also known as the JK Bridge, is one of Brasilia's most stunning landmarks. Opened in 2002, it spans 1.2 kilometers across Lake Paranoa, connecting the city center to the south wing. Its 3 steel arches, designed to look like waves, create a breathtaking visual effect, especially at sunset. A masterpiece of modern engineering, the bridge is a must-see for visitors exploring Brazil's capital. Like and subscribe for more amazing places. The Parque da Cidade Serra Kubitschek is the largest urban park in Brazil, even bigger than New York's Central Park. Covering 420 hectares, it offers bike paths, jogging tracks, lakes, and picnic areas, making it a perfect spot for relaxation and outdoor activities. Locals love its amusement park, sports courts, and food kiosks. Whether you're exercising or just enjoying nature, this park is a must-visit in Brasilia. The Arena BRB main Garrincha, one of Brazil's most modern stadiums, is a must-visit for sports fans. Originally built in 1974 and renovated for the 2014 FIFA World Cup, it holds up to 72,000 spectators, making it the second-largest stadium in Brazil. Beyond football, it hosts concerts and major events, standing as a symbol of Brasilia's passion for sports and culture. A true architectural masterpiece. Like and subscribe for more amazing places. Iguatemi Brasilia is a luxury shopping mall located in the capital of Brazil, offering a high-end shopping experience. Situated in the Iguatemi Bibi neighborhood, it features a wide range of premium brands, from fashion and accessories to electronics and beauty products. The mall also boasts gourmet restaurants, cafes, and a variety of entertainment options, making it a popular spot for both shopping and leisure. With a focus on quality and exclusivity, Iguatemi Brasilia is the perfect place for those looking to enjoy the best in Brazilian and international luxury shopping. Esplanada dos Ministerios is a landmark avenue in Brasilia, home to the country's federal government buildings. Stretching from the Palácio do Planalto, Presidential Palace, to the National Congress, this iconic area showcases modernist architecture designed by Oscar Niemeyer. Lined with ministries and important institutions like the Supreme Federal Court and the Cathedral of Brasilia, it reflects Brazil's political, judicial, and religious heart. A must-visit for those interested in architecture, history, and Brazilian governance. Located just outside the city, Brasilia National Park is a vast natural reserve offering lush landscapes, wildlife, and a peaceful escape from the urban hustle. Covering 42,000 hectares, the park features trails, picnic areas, and stunning views of the Cerrado ecosystem. Visitors can hike to Mirantes, viewpoints, spot wildlife like monkeys and birds, and relax by serene lakes. A perfect blend of nature and adventure, this park is ideal for those seeking outdoor activities and a break from the modernity of Brasilia. Paranoa Lake is an artificial lake in Brasilia, created in 1967 to regulate the city's water supply and provide recreational space. Stretching over 48 square kilometers, it's a popular destination for boating, water sports, and relaxing along the shore. The lake offers stunning views of Brasilia's skyline and landmarks like the Juscelino Kubitschek Bridge. Visitors can enjoy picnics, fishing, or simply take a stroll along the waterfront. It's the perfect spot to enjoy nature and the city's unique charm.